appear to be clean. You know how people always say, don't put something down, put it away. Yeah, I don't follow that advice when somebody is coming over. Half of the things that I cleaned up, I didn't actually put away. I did put down. I just put it down somewhere where this person is not going to see it. I am absolutely just full of knowledge today. You're welcome. So started a load of laundry. Again, the person's not going to see that I'm doing laundry, but I put a bunch of the scent beads in so the house smells clean. Listen, one day I heard the phrase work smarter, not harder, and I took that to heart and it changed my entire life. I am lazy, but I am efficient. Please do not find your way into my master bedroom or up the stairs. Just stay in this main living area and you will think so highly of me. People also keep telling me to hire somebody to come and deep clean my house. Look, I looked into it. I don't have that money right now. If money was no object, then yeah, for sure. But I am not one of those big fancy influencers who can have somebody else clean my house. Anyway, if you made it all the way through, you have no idea how much I love and appreciate you. I broke this thing. I don't know how I did that. But in honor of me trying to get my pink back, leave me a flamingo emoji.